some lettuce, another head of lettuce, some pears, some leftover red cabbage, onion, and a red onion. That's all the vegetable I have. Okay, so it's snowing again and I don't have any food, so I am making vegetable stock. It's carrots. Right now there's carrots, pears, and lettuce. Okay. Chop your onions. So you want thick slices of onion. Put it in the pot. Some pear. I'm gonna put 2 garlic. I already added one before. I'm gonna put 2 cloves of garlic in the pot. So in the pot is lettuce. They are baby lettuce and fox. Baby lettuce and iceberg lettuce. White onion and like about half of red onion. Okay, and 4 cups of water and a pear. I'm adding the rest of the red cabbage since I don't have any more vegetables left, since there's like a blizzard outside and I can't go anywhere. So that's about maybe 1/4 of a cup of shredded red cabbage. There's the garlic. You want to break apart your lettuce. You don't want to cut it because the knife stains the lettuce, and it's better to break it apart. Throw that in there. And I put as much vegetables as I can because I don't have chicken stock. Just like carrots, onions, even a pear, which is a fruit, lettuce, and garlic. Just get like all the oils out of it, and I just added some salt. Some sesame oil. Some soy sauce or Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. You can use soy sauce, but I use, well, this is soy sauce, but it's like a better brand. It's called Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. 2 tablespoons. This is sriracha sauce. I put about half a tablespoon here. You can use sriracha or chili sauce. Sriracha or chili sauce, and then just add that in there. Alright, so stir everything together, and put a lid over it. Put it on medium heat or medium low and let it sit for 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been about maybe 20-25 minutes and everything's cooked. I'm just going to add some to my bowl. Some carrots. Okay, so here's my soup. It's carrots, lettuce, onions, red cabbage, white cabbage, pear, water, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha sauce, and a little bit of salt, of course. Okay, and I am going to serve this with a little bit of salad topping. This is salad topping. It has sesame seeds and soy flour, sunflower seeds, canola oil, and some other stuff. It just tastes good with it. And a little bit of sriracha because I like things spicy. There you go. Okay.